It is IAS Kannada Vahini program is carried out by SG Career Academy Sirsi. We are continuing with the KS Preliminary 2020 Part 6 Environment and Ecology. So we are carrying out this program with a innovative aspect of like question and answer and analysis. So today's question about the environment is: which one of the following pairs of geographical areas show maximum biodiversity in our country? Sundarbans and Rann of Kutch, that is the first option. Eastern Ghats and West Bengal. C. Eastern Himalaya and Western Ghats. D. Kerala and Punjab. So, which is the answer? So here in the given thing, the maximum biodiversity is Eastern Himalaya and Western Ghats. C is the answer for this question. Eastern Himalaya mainly consists of like northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Sikkim, etc. That has got the maximum, you can say, like biodiversity because of the vegetation, etc., climatic factors, etc. In the same way, Western Ghats also has got the maximum biodiversity. It is one of the hotspots in the world because of its endemic species and etc., flora and fauna. So that is the C is the answer for the first. For this question, C is the answer. Okay, coming to the Western Ghats. Already, I think in the previous question also for the KS exam, I have explained. It is extending from like the Gujarat to Kerala, from Gujarat to Kerala, covering large area, around 1600 kilometers, that is Western Ghats. You can find the mix-up of like evergreen forest as well as deciduous forest. We cannot call it as exactly or 100% like evergreen forest that is in the Western Ghat. There are some patches or areas where like the deciduous forest is also there. They will shed their leaves during the winter. So it is a mix-up or combination of these two. But as far as the biodiversity is concerned, it has got the maximum variation and maximum diversity, flora, fauna wise. And also it has got valuable flora in this region. Then the second aspect, that is Biodiversity Act. Actually, Biodiversity Act was passed in 2002 by India. It is based on the Convention of Biological Diversity, that is CBD 1992. At the United Nations level, one convention has been implemented, that is known as Biological Diversity 1992, which recognizes the sovereign rights of the states or countries to use their own biological resources. The second important factor of this Biodiversity Act is the Act regulates the access to genetic resources also. Means it will recognize so many genetic resources. The important, you can say like kind of features of this Biodiversity Act are: it consists of 12 chapters, 65 sections, very lengthy act. Also, it provides the definition of certain terms that is used in the biodiversity. And also, it regulates the access to the biological diversity. Under this act, you can form their own, you can say like authority, biodiversity authority also, state biodiversity board, and also biodiversity management committees at the state level or like Gram Panchayat level. So there are three setups in the biological diversity or under the Biological Diversity Act. And also it deals with the finance and accounts of the authorities, and also duties of the central government and state government, settlement of disputes, etc. So from the all angle, Biodiversity Act of India is very comprehensive. It covers almost everything, you can say. So under this act, our diverse flora and fauna is preserved.